Hello, Leinster Middle School students. Today we are going to do a quick review on the subordinating and coordinating conjunctions. Now on our map we can find that under writing. We go to traits, we go to conventions, and it is a grammar aspect of the types of conjunctions. Therefore we go to the conjunctions part. Now there's two types. Let's start with subordinating conjunctions. As on this sheet, you will be cutting it out, gluing this section, cutting here, and then writing the information under this tab. Specifically the definition, which subordinating conjunctions, the sub, as in submarine or submerge, it's something that is under. So these are conjunctions that combine a dependent clause, because the dependent clause is under the independent clause. It depends on it for its right to be a sentence, a part of a sentence. And we can see that here. We have the independent clause plus this subordinate conjunction and the dependent clause. I wanted to get more soda because it's hard to eat popcorn without it. Now, if we just had the subordinating conjunction with the dependent clause, and somebody just randomly ran into the classroom and said, because it's hard to eat popcorn without it, it doesn't make sense. We're waiting for more information. This is how you know it's dependent. You need this attached to this. So if someone ran into this classroom and says, I wanted to get more soda. Okay, it makes sense. It's weird, but it makes sense. So this one attaches it, and it's subordinate to this. All right, now take a look. These are the same meaning, but the arrangement of the sentence is different. The subordinating conjunction dependent clause has been shifted to the front. Now, when that happens, you need a comma. Comma goes here. Because it's hard for me to eat popcorn without it, I wanted to get more soda. Nice. Here's a comprehensive list of the subordinating conjunctions. Remember, if your dependent clause with the subordinating conjunctions comes first, you need that comma. All right. Now, for the second tab on coordinating conjunctions, if we look at the root of this name, we see the co, which is as the same co in cooperate, collaboration, or couple. It's something that is together. So the coordinating conjunctions combines together two independent clauses, not subordinate, not dependent clauses. These sentences can stand on their own by themselves. For example, I wanted more popcorn. Sam wanted Junior Mints. They're perfect by themselves. But we need a comma with the but in order to make them into one nice compound sentences. Remember, com is the same co as in coordinating. It's co together, something that has been pounded together, and we pound it together with a fanboy. So these always are going to have a comma with the coordinating conjunction, unlike the subordinating conjunctions. See, if we switch here, Sam wanted more Junior Mints, I wanted popcorn, we still have the comma. Doesn't matter which way you organize these ones, always going to have the comma. Subordinating conjunctions, if it's the subordinating conjunction and dependent clause first, you need that comma. All right, so that is the difference between coordinating and subordinating. You can see fanboy is easy to remember. It's an actual word and not very long, and then you can see why they have not made an acronym for this, because it's rather long. So think not a fanboy, probably a subordinating conjunction. Have a great day.